Well, if I was doing a video, what would you say right about now?
Oh.
No, Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.
Rapper.
Cookie.
This is the slowest I've ever been going up this darn road.
You can barely see anything going.
Keep in mind, the speed limit on this road is 60 miles an hour. I'm going barely 30. Just saying.
That's a lot, John.
You want me to speak?
No.
Okay then. Hush up. You got the window. Oh, wow.
In the window.
There we go.
And I put the window up. I'm so backwards.
Shannon, I'm focused on the road. What do you want?
What would you say the viewers are right about now?
Whoopee!
It's a bunch of white stuff.
It's white. All I see is white. It's technically a whiteout in South Carolina.
Y'all.
That is a correct term. It is a whiteout. Where it's just snow, you can't hardly see. We technically in a whiteout. What? What are you laughing at? What the devil are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
That mailbox was sexy.
What mailbox?
The white one back there.
You seen a white mailbox in this mess?
It had its flag up. It was waving at me.
You done lost your forever love of mine. That person there wants to be Speed Gonzalez.
What a trailer.
No, not the one in the trailer, the one that passed us.
Y'all.
I mean, this is a 4-lane road, but right now I don't see too many people in 2 lanes. I see them in 1 lane. Look, it's South Springs. I don't think they'll go out right now.
You about as white as they can get.
Why you say that?
You ain't even southern.
Huh? What are you talking about?
You don't like grits.
Shannon?
What?
We're technically in a whiteout. Nothing but white is about all I can see. And you talking about grits?
Oh, it's hot food, John.
Pay attention to the road. I'll pay attention to this white and black trailer in front of me with the lights going.
Why you gotta be so technical? Somebody could be offended because of that trailer.
If they're offended over a trailer, oh, well, they just gotta be offended. Because that was ice that just dropped on my driver's side door.
I got the pizza though.
Yeah, you would all this. I got the pizza though.
There it is, y'all. The pizza.
She's concerned about the pizza in this mess.
Gotta save the pizza.
We're trying to get home. And she worried about the pizza. What the devil was that?